Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can buy any iPad for a cheaper price. So you need to visit Reliance Digital.in website. Actually the newer iPad 8th generation is not available on both Amazon and Flipkart. I had seen that there was a price of rupees 29,990 on 29,900 on TataCliq, and if you apply the code credit 3000, then you will get an instant discount. But the issue was that I have seen a lot of negative reviews of TataCliq. Personally, I don't know if the reviews on quora is correct or not, so I was a bit skeptical. So I went with Reliance Digital Store, and in this there is one caveat: you will get the cashback, but you will get that after 120 days. So you need to search the tablet and then press on checkout and fill your address, click on standard delivery, deliver here, and then you need to fill your credit card number. The things that you can use only HDFC credit card, and after that you will get a message that you will get a kind of let's say notification that you will get 3000 discount after 120 days. So I'm again going to tell you that for the time being the amount of 29,900 will be deducted from your card. And uh, to to demonstrate as a proof, I have the unboxing of this Reliance box that I had got today. So to be honest, since I had read a lot of negative reviews about both TataCliq and Reliance Digital, so I was a bit skeptical that there will be there may be some issues. So I recorded this unboxing, and then I had a thought that few people had commented that where I can get this iPad, so I have made this video. And this video is I have not used any microphone or so. I am just recording it in a one go, so there are many background noises and some mispronunciation, so I am not going to edit that because that will take a lot of time. So yeah, that's it from my side, and if you have any question regarding that, you can post that in comment section. So I'm going to fast forward some parts of the video so that this audio gets in synchronization with this video. So bye, that's all.